Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to block ads on Facebook. Before we begin with the video, please subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Facebook, then go to the bottom right, click on menu, and then click on the top right on this gear thingy. Once you are here, you actually need to click on see more in accounts center. And once you have opened account center, you see ad preferences. So basically you want to click on add preferences. Then you can see your recent ad activity, select the account and you will see your recent ad activity. And from there you can unlike, click on these three dots, hide posts. You can go on this saved, remove them from saved. If you were to go back, just a moment, you can also click on free with ads. So potentially you can subscribe to use it without ads. It does cost 13 euros a month, but that's basically the only way you can block all of the ads on Facebook. And for example, let's go to ad settings, and here you can like potentially change what interests you as an individual. You can change your things here, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in Spotify, if you're interested in Shopify, I have a trial link where you can get 1 month for $1.